Some people have been asking me how to put in bums. This young lady needs a bum, so we're going to put one in. You don't need much, just your typical needle and thread. I use embroidery floss, but I use 2 of the 6 threads that make up the embroidery floss, so I take them apart 2 at a time. And you want to have a rather large needle. A typical sewing needle would be something like this, so quite a bit bigger than your regular needle, and that's because you have to go quite a distance with the needle to make the bum stitch. Make sure it's going to be long enough to go at least 3 times through your bum, because you need at least 3 lengths. And you also want to make sure you have a big enough knot on the end to not go through the hole that your needle's creating. So if you've got a rather large needle, you're probably going to need a rather large knot. Alright, this is going to look horrible. Needle goes in right at the bum, where the bum connects, right there. You push it through. Now generally there's a hole, I don't think you can see it, but there's generally a hole. You can see a hole where the original thread came through, so you want to poke your needle around till it comes out at that original hole. Then pull it through, back around to the original space you went through, put it back through, come up to the same hole you just came out of, same spot, and then you just pull it tight. Now sometimes at this point I'll switch to a smaller needle to do the knot down in the bum here. Sometimes if you need to put in a belly button, you can continue on to do the belly button on the other side. Sometimes I just do the knot with this needle. It depends on how tight I'm going to make it and whatnot, but at this point you just tie it off, you're done, Dolly has a bum.